So I'm actually following this itinerary a local actually gave me. So I took a bus from Cherrapunji to Mashwang village. Then I'm walking down to Trina village. Then I'll be walking towards Nongrial where we have a double decker bridge. And then we can also try Minting. I think Minting is the correct pronunciation of this village. Oh, this is an amazing place to be. There's a waterfall there, by the way. I don't know if it is actually recording it in. Yeah, it's there. So we have to go to that village actually. It's an Anglia village where we'll be staying for tonight. It looks pretty far. I don't think it's gonna be that far. It's just gonna take 1.5 more hours to reach there. So this is the bridge they were talking about. This is the single decker bridge. There are actually 7 bridges here, but only 2 of them are well known: single decker and double decker. There's another double decker bridge which is 5 kilometers ahead of the double decker bridge. But it's not a double decker as such, it's a parallel. So there's one bridge and then there's another bridge just next to it. So there are actually 2 rivers crossing it. So there's one more bridge here which is kind of spoiled. So this is the single decker bridge. So this is the famous double decker bridge. It all starts from here to here, and then here to here. Look where my stay is today. So it's here. It's a dormitory, and I'll be taking one of the beds here. So this is the trail going towards the waterfall. It's by the name of Rainbow Waterfall, and it's actually from double decker itself. It's gonna take us 1.5 hours one side to reach there. You slip, you die. This is really, really scary. I have a confession to make in this beautiful valley, that if you have been traveling but with friends and families, you should try a solo trip, and to an unknown place definitely. So it's gonna give you an immense experience of the things, and actually it will help you to know yourself first, and that is very important. When you travel solo, that too in an unknown location, that too in between the forest, you will eventually get to know more about yourself. So my motto is, if you're YOLO, travel solo. What the fuck is that? Isn't it beautiful? How many times will I say that? I think I've said it enough. Hi, so this is day 5 and we are in Nongriyat village. I'm actually not good with the names. And I have a very beautiful, amazing friend with me.
Hello!
She's Manju. See, I told you, no? I was just giving you an example.
You did it deliberately. Just to prove your point.
So, we happened to meet yesterday, and now, well, she's planning to go to Dowli tomorrow, actually itself. And I was planning to go somewhere else, but then I realized that people always talk about Dowli all the time, so I should also probably complete that. So I think we'll be taking a trip.
We'll take a trek up to Tirna village and we'll leave for Dowli. Yeah,
So that's the plan so far, and she's just having some coffee and omelette. So we haven't even started our trek yet. It's just a warm up for us, and we're already damn tired. Look at her, she's already exhausted.
I have a reason. Nice. These frames look good on everyone I've seen. 3 friends of mine have ordered the same thing. So every time we do warm up, walking up.
So we have to. This is nothing, huh? जितना दिख रहा है ना? This is still just a quarter of the total trek.
Real cardio, man. Real cardio.
So we have reached. So this will be the this will be the companion for our next journey. कर ले तू थोड़ा और एडवेंचर कर ले. It's already late. It's already about 6 p.m. Came across a 1-hour trek from the place we have stayed up in the mountains to here, and we can see the Valley of Lilies. Actually, it is known as a Valley of Lilies. Bro.